Hi everyone, welcome to Motorized TV, where we showcase new line of automotives from famous manufacturers around the world. If you are new to our channel, don't be shy to subscribe and like our videos. The new Honda Rebel 500 is a bike that comes out of the world of traditional motorcycle style and escapes the boring drone boulevard. It all starts with a narrow 471cc dual-cylinder engine with lots of user-friendly power. The two-cylinder engine is a great choice for engines like the Rebel 500. Honda's twin engines are renowned for their versatility, and the 471cc Rebel 500 engine is one of the best. Its parallel twin engines are narrow, which helps reduce the overall size of the bike. In addition, it offers a lot of low RPM torque, but a lot of higher RPM performance. The dark look, lightweight, and low upholstery height are winners everywhere, and features such as Honda's slip assist clutch to make driving more enjoyable. And where some cruiser-class bikes are only fun if you drive slowly, the Rebel 500 will happily improve. The front and rear cast wheels are lightweight, practical, easy to clean and give the Rebel look that tells you that it's not made like a retro machine. You can even get anti-lock brakes. Plus, for 2022, the Rebel 500 has fresh new colors, and the new Rebel 500 ABS SE comes with a selection of several accessories, such as the black diamond stitch seat, black fork boots and cover, and the black headlight cowl. The Rebel is a blank canvas for your self-expression, but unlike the canvases you buy in art stores, these ones aren't boring white. Therefore, blackened engine parts, frames, and bodywork elements look good during the day and even better at night. Base price of the 2021 Honda Rebel 500 starts at $6,299.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you from a distance.
Thank you for visiting our channel. Stay safe and have a nice day.